Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Cooking and Grilling with Karl. In this video, I'm making for you stewed chicken thighs. Right after this. Alright, for the ingredients, we're going to use ground black pepper, seasoning salt, 2 gravy packets, Sazon, chicken broth, 1 tomato, 1 bell pepper, 1 yellow onion, dry parsley, olive oil, salt, garlic powder. Also, I got some rosemary, some thyme, some sage, some basil, and some scallions from my little herb garden I have on my back deck. Alright, right here, you just see me trimming off a little bit of the skin. Also, with the ingredients, I failed to mention that I'm using bone-in chicken thighs with the skin on. Alright, so here I am adding all my seasonings to the chicken. And so now all you want to do is just mix everything in, rub your seasoning into the chicken, just make sure everything is nice and coated. Right here I'm just chopping up my vegetables. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and the thumbs up. I appreciate it. It supports the channel. So I'm just running outside to grab some herbs from my little herb garden that I got. I have a little basil, some sage, some thyme, some rosemary, some parsley, and a few scallions. Alright, so here I am adding olive oil to a preheated cast iron pan, and now I'm going in with my chicken thighs. So you want to make sure your pan is really hot and your oil is nice and hot, because you want to hear that nice sear and sizzle as you're adding your chicken. That's how you get that nice crust on your chicken. And put them in skin side down first. So you don't want to be turning and flipping them. You just want to let it sit for a few minutes and develop that nice crust. So as you can see, I have my diced vegetables and my fresh herbs ready to go into the pan. So my chicken has been searing for about maybe 4 to 5 minutes. So now I'm flipping them over, and as you can see, I have a really nice crust on the skin. So here I am adding the fresh herbs, and here I am adding my diced vegetables. So once I got all my herbs and vegetables in, I'm just going to stir them all in, stir them around just to get them a little cooked and get them all over the chicken so they can flavor the chicken a little bit. And now I'm going in with my chicken broth. I'm going to let the chicken broth reduce down by half. Alright, so as you can see, my chicken broth has reduced down by half, and it's almost became a gravy in itself. Alright, but I'm still going to end up adding those 2 packets of gravy. So basically with the 2 packets of gravy, I just had to add 2 cups of water, stir it up, and then I'm going to pour it into the pan. Alright, you don't have to use powdered gravy. You can make a gravy if you choose to. You can use jarred gravy. I just prefer, I use that because that's what I had. Oh, and I also flipped the chicken skin side down because now I want it to cook into the sauce, and that's going to make the chicken, you know, super tender, so it just kind of melts in your mouth. Alright, so I went into the oven for about 20 minutes, and then I finished it for about 2 minutes on broil, so I can give the chicken a little bit more of a crust. So this is how it turned out, as you can see. So once again, I just want to thank everybody who just checked out this recipe for my stewed chicken thighs. You know, definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. And definitely hit that thumbs up. It definitely helps the channel. I hit my 1,000 subscribers, now I'm going for 5,000 subscribers. So, you know, it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe or hit the notification bell or do none of that YouTube-y stuff. But I appreciate all those that's supporting the channel. You know, and let me know in the comments if you want to see any other recipes. Also, you can check me out at Cooking and Grilling with Karl on Instagram. You can check me out at Cooking and Grilling with Karl on Facebook. I have a Facebook group where you can actually post your food in there. And you can also check me out on Facebook at Chef Karl Robinson Sr. Alright. Also, Cooking and Grilling with Karl on TikTok, which I haven't been going hard with the TikTok, but I will be soon. Alright, on that note, I just want to say God bless. Thank you for checking out another video, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.